Ready to unlock some hidden Canva magic? Today, we're diving into two seriously crazy, amazing tools that will take your designs from meh to wow in seconds. Whether you're creating spooky Halloween graphics or just want to amp up your creativity, you won't believe how easy these Canva tricks are. Today, I want to show you a couple of really cool functions inside Canva that you may not even be using. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm just going to go to Canva here and open it up. And you could do these same steps in anything such as a document, a card, or an invitation. But I'm used to hanging out inside the video area, so I opened this out of habit. First of all, I have found a couple of images that I'm going to demonstrate with. I went to Creative Fabrica, which is one of my favorite places for graphics and more. You should definitely check it out if you haven't already. I wanted to make something Halloween-y, and I found this. Overall, I really like it, except for the font. I've already downloaded it. Secondly, I found this image and I really liked it, and I've downloaded it too. I wanted to show you another thing you can do in Canva using this graphic. So go back to Canva. I'm going to open up another page. I'm going to change the background color to something a little more Halloween-y and enlarge this. Put it right there. All right, so I could erase this font. I could also take this image and fold it down and try to get it just right. In this case, I'd be pretty close, but I'm cutting off some of those flowers up here. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to click on Edit, then go to the Magic Studio area, then click on Grab Text. So I'm going to select the image, and this app will try to find the text in this particular image. It's done a pretty good job, but to get it all, I'm going to click on this, but I think it's about as good as it's going to get. Click on both text areas so it chooses all the letters. Now that it's all highlighted, let's click Grab. Give it a few seconds, and now the font has changed. Canva tried to match the first font, but we lost an L, and we lost our N in the process. This is easy to fix. There are a few different things we can do. Click the magic eraser and clean that up. I'm going to change the font. I'll add a L and a N. And now, there we go. And now I have changed it completely. So we have gone from this to a new font that we have changed, we've cleaned up some of this other stuff that was on here, and all within Canva. Next, let's play with Magic Grab. Go to the image, blow it up. It's really cute, but I only need the fox in the chair. So what I can do in that case? Click Edit, go to Magic Grab, and then you can click on it or brush it. I'll click on it. Now you see it's chosen just the fox. Look how clean that is. I'll click on the tail and this chair. I was holding down the Shift button when I clicked it. Now the whole fox and chair is highlighted. Click Grab and give it a few seconds to do its magic. Then, watch this. Is that not amazing? It also created a new image area behind where the fox was. So it did actually two things at once. So if you want to keep this and maybe put something else here, you could easily do that. You could then take this fox and put him somewhere else so easily. That is the Magic Grab tool. So that's just two of the really amazing tools inside Canva. I wanted to share those with you today. Both of these are premium tools, so you have to have a paid account. But they are well worth it, because this will save you so much time having to go back and forth to different apps if you can just do it all inside Canva. Okay, so I hope you have fun playing with these. Try them for yourself and you'll be amazed at what you can do using the Magic Studio tools inside Canva. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.